Okay, today in class we were talking about solving equations with the variable on both sides. I put a problem up on the board. This comes right off the worksheet I asked you to do tonight. It's the one with the two snowmen on it. And on the left-hand side, about 3/4 of the way down, letter K, I believe, you'll see this problem. 10 minus 3p equals 2 plus 5p. All right, and as you notice, you do have a variable on both sides of this equation. Now remember, when we're solving equations, our objective is to get the variable on one side of the equation and the other terms on the other side of the equation. Right now, with the variables on both sides, that's got to be our first step, is to try and get both of these p's on the same side of the equation. What we talked about in class today, you could either move this minus 3p over here, or you can move this positive 5p over here. Either way can get you the correct answer. But if I subtract 5p's, I'm going to end up with negative 8 over here, negative 8p, which we can deal with and get the right answer, but we're going to be dealing with a negative number. So what I suggested is a general rule. I have negative 3p's here and positive 5p's here. As a general rule, always move the variable that has the lesser coefficient. Since negative 3 is less than positive 5, if I get rid of these negative 3p's, I'm not going to have to deal with a negative coefficient. So how do I get rid of a minus 3p? I would add 3p's. And if I add something to one side of the equation, I'm going to add the same thing to the other side. That leaves me with 10 equals 2 plus 8p. Okay, now we have a two-step equation. Our goal is still to try and get this p by itself. We're going to first undo this addition. It's 2 plus 8p, so let's get rid of that 2 by subtracting 2. If I subtract 2 from the right side, I got to subtract 2 from the left side. Leaves me 8 equals 8 times p. Last step, divide both sides by 8 to get this p by itself. And we have p equals 1. We can check our answer by plugging a 1 in for the p. 10 minus 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 10 minus 3 would be 7. Is that equal to 2 plus 5 times 1? Yes, it is. This ends up being 7 equals 7, so we know that our solution checks out.